Hi, I'm Andrea Bomarito, a decoration specialist in the US, and I represent the N&H equipment. And today we are here in Lustenau, Austria, visiting with Nagel Hermann and my friend Michael.
Hi Andrea, hi everybody. My name is Michael Gstoy and I am responsible at Nagel Hermann for the sales, and I am working here since 1998.
And I think it's really interesting to know that the history of Nagel Hermann, it started with two partners who are still active in the company today. It started in 1983. One partner had a textile background in embroidery, and one partner had a mechanical engineering background.
That's right, yes. We are working here since 1983, as you said, and we are developing, designing and building all the machines in one roof.
We are standing in front of the Endless Libero C, and this is a very intriguing machine. It's very mesmerizing to watch. Can you explain to me a little bit about how an automatic setting machine actually works?
Of course, yes, I can. We have a robotic arm here, and it takes the stones or the elements, lays it down to a transfer paper, and from this transfer paper we heat press or we put it on specific surfaces.
So such as t-shirts or pants or even other surfaces beyond that, correct?
Exactly, that's the reason why I said different surfaces, because we have elements there we can put on glasses, metal, paper and whatever.
Perfect. So I see from this machine there's 4 different options that the machine can choose from, and I see there's different stones in there. What is this machine capable of regarding stones, or what can it do?
Well, we have 4 different options, sizes of round elements we can put, ranging from SS3 to SS40, which is approximately 1.5 mm till 9 mm. And you don't have to use all the 4 in the same time, but you can. This is an option.
So with the ability to do different sizes and different colors, it seems like there is a lot that you can do with the actual design work, which kind of lends into my next question, which is, well, how big of a design can you do on this machine?
Well, on this machine you can work up to 30 centimeters, which is more or less 12-inch wide, and endless production or endless motifs.
Okay, so you can do very long designs, but you also say endless production. What exactly do you mean by endless production?
Well, endless production means that if you have a certain amount of motifs you have to do, and it's, let's say, 500 pieces, you can work endless without changing any paper or whatever. It's just continuous running.
That's really amazing that you can do endless production, because to me that basically means that the machine is running all by itself to all your production. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes. It's running without an operator.
Wow, I really like the idea of it running without an operator. I kind of asked the question, well, you need somebody to set up the design, right?
That's right, yes.
Okay, and if you have multiple designs for the day, how do you do that?
Well, we have an auto queue system, and it means that if you are running different orders with the same material, you can run one after the other without changing the motifs or the orders. It's just making it automatically.
Okay, so the operator sets it up for the day, says I need this order, and this order done, and basically can leave it. Is that
correct? Yes, and because the machine also has an auto cutting system, it cuts, for example, after each order, after each motif, automatically the designs.
Wow, that's really a machine that's going to work for you. So you could even leave the machine and let it run while you're either away at lunch or even through the night?
Yes, correct.
How does this machine work in that you don't need anybody here?
Well, we have a transfer paper on the roll. We put this on the machine. The machine itself separates the protecting paper from the sticky paper. The paper rolls on the machine and it makes the design. with the different elements or stones, and after it makes the designs ready, it rolls on again and it put the two papers again together. And when it's finished, we have the option, as said, to auto cut the motifs or the designs.
So the more and more we talk about this machine, the more and more I love it. We can do 4 different elements. We can set it up in the morning, let it go, and we don't need anybody here to actually run and take care of the machine. So all these wonderful points, can you also tell me a little bit about the build of the machine?
Yes, as I told you before, the machine is really 100% Austrian origin and produced and developed here in Lustenau. We are using 100% quality manufactured parts from Austria, Switzerland and Germany, like for example Bosch, if you know this. And this is something we want to have in our machine because we want to bring quality to our customers.
In touring this facility, we've seen some machines that have been in production for a really long time. And actually you showed me one of your first Endless models that is still in production. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. We built this machine in 1996 and it's still running over there. If you want, we can have a look.
Yeah, that'd be great. Let's go see it.
Okay.
Michael, thank you very, very much for spending some time with me and our viewers to talk about the Endless Libero C. And thank you to Nagel and Hermann. So for now, we'll see you next time.
Thanks a lot.